Assalamu alaikum. This is Batool. Today I'm going to talk about how to generate ideas. You get a topic and you straight away start writing on that topic. It's very difficult to write on a topic without having ideas. So the first step that you need to do is brainstorming. Make a rough work, make a plan, brainstorm it, and especially when it comes to IELTS writing task 2, you need to make two columns, one in the favor of the task and one against the opinion that you don't follow. After writing and segmenting them into two portions, you can then finalize that which side you actually have to write upon. So the first step, and which is the vital step, is how to generate ideas. And for that, you need to do brainstorming. What is writing? And when you have to write an essay, what are the 3 steps that you need to remember? Only 3 steps. And then 3 steps will define all your writing. First is what you are going to tell, what you are going to persuade your examiner or your reader. Step number 2, what you are writing, what you are telling, or what you are narrating. And step number 3, what you have told, what you just told in all your essay. So following these 3 steps, you can write anything that you wish to write, what you are going to tell, what you are telling, and what you have just told. These 3 basic steps will take you to a successful writing. Thank you.